students, let's start today with Unit 4, My Point of View. This is again point of view. Unit name is somewhat similar, but here is a point of view about another thing. It was about the crowded city and many other things were discussed in that. As one poem we have seen about the blind man and all in that last unit, but this unit is telling us about a sighted scene in India. Okay, so let's find out what's in it. Activity 1 is about over 100 UFOs sighted in India. This is the title of the newspaper once again. Now, the newspaper is DNA, Monday, the day, then 9 November 5, 2012, 7:49 IST, Indian Standard Time. IST means place is New Delhi, agency is PTI. Okay, so army troops in India have reported more than 100 sightings. What army troops have reported? That they have seen 100 sightings of unidentified flying objects. What is it? In short, UFOs in the last 3 months. Troops here means soldiers or armed forces. Then sightings mean catching sight of something. Okay, to see something in simple words. So, what is it? Unidentified flying objects. Have you heard about the word Udan Tashtri or something like in many movies or somewhere you have seen in movies about those things? So, this is the similar thing which they saw. But this is not imaginary. You could not say that 100% it is imaginary because this is a news article. So, it is can be said as authentic or reliable source. Agencies including the Army, DRDO, NTRO, there will be long forms of this that is related to our national and Indian level forces, and the ITBP have not yet been able to identify these luminous. What do you mean by luminous over here? Giving of light, brightness और शाइनिंग सेल्फ जो एक लाइट जिसकी होती है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ल्यूमिनस. सो हियर एजेंसीज इंक्लूडिंग अलग अलग जो एजेंसीज है जैसे आर्मी है, DRDO है, NTRO, ITBP, these are the all national level agencies that have not been able to identify these luminous flying objects. They could not identify what it is. Some local people believe they are extraterrestrial who have come to earth from outer space. As we have heard many times that such type of UFOs are always called by the people as they are extraterrestrials, means not from our earth but from outer space, or you can say that out of the earth. So that way same people were talking about it here also. Army officials said that 17 corps has been sent reports to the army headquarters about the sighting of UFOs by an ITBP unit. Now what the ITBP unit has investigated, that they sent the 17 people, corps has sent reports to the army headquarters. What they have sent the report about the army headquarters, that sighting was real, means it was not doubtful or something like that. Then what the report suggested by them? Let's see. Report suggested that these yellowish spears means round shape. Okay. So these yellowish spears appears to lift off. How they were? They were coming from the down like this and they were going up. Spears in round shape. Okay. Horizon and slowly traverse the sky for 3 to 5 hours before disappearing. It disappeared after few hours. How many hours? 3 to 5 hours. Okay. Then what is more about it? The officials confirmed that these UFOs were not planes or satellites. Now the officials even confirmed that there can be a chance people will say that that can be plane or satellite, something related to the satellites. Most of the time you may have heard, हमने देखा है मून या फिर और कई टेरेस्ट्रियल जो साइट्स होते हैं वहाँ पे अगर कुछ भी किसी भी तरह का इन्वेंशन चल रहा हो तो एट दैट टाइम दे हैव सच काइंड ऑफ various equipments, can be said as variety of things were sent, but it is not that. That is also even confirmed. They said army had also moved a mobile ground based radar unit and a spectrum analyzer to verify the identify of the object. Now what they did, they said army even also moved a mobile ground based radar. What the radar is doing, it is just giving an information about something which is unidentified object comes into the range of that is the work of the radar unit, and a spectrum analyzer to verify the identify of the object, but they could not detect the object that was being tracked visually, indicating it was non-metallic. Actually they could only indicate the metallic things, and it was showing that indicating that it was non-metallic, so can't be tracked or find out by these systems. That is, which are the systems? Spectrum analyzer and ground based radar unit. Okay, so this is the more idea about what they have worked on it in this paragraph. Army officials expressed concern over the inability. Now, what they have expressed concern, inability of agencies to identify the objects. Means they have expressed more concern, means felt sad about, or they felt that yes, we could not do it, though we have done these kind of things like radar and spectrum analyzer, but we could not get success. Some believed they could be surveillance equipment or weather instruments. These are just guesses. What they guessed then, that could be a surveillance equipment which is taking a track of something or searching for something, or weather instruments. Sources said that similar reports were made 5 or 6 years ago about sightings of such objects. Now, what the other sources are telling about the things, that about 5 to 6 years ago, such sightings were already done. Means something like this is already seen few years back, but the matter was never taken up at higher levels. But at that time, even the matter of searching or working on it is never taken at higher level, or can be said as if the lower level people can't do anything about that, then it can be considered at higher level and it gets sorted, but here it is not done. That is the sad story over here the sources are telling at the end of the page. Again, the reading is derived from PTI article published in November 2012. This is the helpline which is telling us more about the news. Now I am going to read this right side lines. Look at the last line of the article. It says sources said that similar reports were made 5 to 6 years ago. Means it's showing that the sources are talking about 5 to 6 years ago's incident. The second thing is newspapers reports often use the word source or sources without identifying the name of the source. When it is said as source, our source means newspaper, someone who is giving the report. They will not write down your name as a reporter like Saurabh Gandhi or something like that, but he will say the name of the source, because sometimes people do not want their names published in the newspaper. Very true. Most of the time, no one gets, like, no one is easily ready to publish the name. So that is the reason they are using the word like sources. Sometimes these are identified as anonymous sources. कई बार इन चीज़ों को anonymous मतलब अनामिक, जैसे जिसका नाम पता ना हो, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. Which just means sources who don't want to be named. And again the meaning will be the same, the person who don't want to be named. If your words were published in a newspaper, would you want to publish your name or would you be anonymous? Now here the writer is asking to you, would you like to get your name published in the newspaper, kids? Yes, as a student or kids, I will give on behalf of yours that you will be surely happy to tell your names or to publish it. Isn't it, kids? Because in your school magazine or in your small or a big program of school, you always write to get a proper means acknowledgement of everything whatever you have done or whatever is your activity. So this way I want to tell you that my point of view here is telling us about 100 UFOs sighted in India. Bye students, take care, meet you with next activity.